My name's Matt. I'm one of the founders of Hartree Financial. So we do mortgages and protection. We are a kind of digital first proposition, as well as having a big technology focus, which we've always had. We've got lots of focus on how do we help our customers, how do we make that journey really seamless, really accessible. We don't charge them fees, and we just want to be able to help as many people as possible with what is a very, very big decision. One of the things that we think is perhaps a bit lacking in our world is this ability for a new customer just to ascertain what is possible for them in those early stages of trying to get a mortgage. And it's quite a daunting thing, and there's data out there that suggests that a lot of people don't even want to book an appointment. What we were trying to do is, can we use our own data, our historic data, and give somebody a bit of a heads up as to what might be possible? We felt that we needed something else in terms of data and analytics, machine learning. That's not something that we've done before, and we wanted to have a look at what can our data tell us. And actually the results have been really great. We've ended up with something that we're going to be able to use, and the important thing for me is that we can pick this up and run with it ourselves. I thought the support was really good, super enjoyable. The communication was excellent throughout. We had weekly check-ins, but within that there was also Teams messages flying around and emails here and there and different conversations taking place, because it felt as if it was a collaboration, right? That's the title of the project. It is one. And I was really happy with how that all ran. So to have the Hartree team making sure that we were kept on track, making sure that we were checking in with what we said we were going to do last week and have we managed to achieve it this week, it was really great. Absolutely couldn't fault it at all. I think what we've now got is some clear instructions, clear guidelines as to how do we continue to evolve this and move it forward. And as I've learned, it never ends. So yeah, we've got something we can use, but I don't think that's going to be the end of the story. And I'm quite excited about what we can do as we continue to build it and grow. I think if you're thinking about it, just go for it. It will definitely build your knowledge. It will allow you to gain skills that maybe you didn't have before, at least an understanding of things that you didn't understand before. And hopefully at the end of that journey, you end up with something that you can actually use within your business, which is where we got to.